All drivers can benefit from a car camera that continuously captures the dangerous, surprising, and sometimes expensive things that happen on the road. Any dash cam system will do that, but the best dash cam models do it in a breathtaking quality. In today's video, I have rounded up what I think are the best dash cams. To see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. Let's get started. The first camera comes cutter than a June bug, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2, best mini dash cam. In the smallest dash cam in the current market, this black piece is measuring 1.23 inches wide by 2.1 inches tall by 1.5 inches deep with a lens body in it, weighing only an ounce, just an ounce. I have no doubt why Garmin calls it car key size. USB cable is located to the right side of the camera, while on the left side we see the micro SD card slot and the audio mute button location. In the near bottom, it has a memory card, leaving you to decide for what size you want it, starting from 8 GB or better extra storage. The circle camera lens streams an HD 1080 pixels resolution, enabling crisp and sharp details to be seen in a wide view angle of 140 degrees. On the other hand, the HDR optics help you get better vision day and night. A 24/7 is at your service. Saved videos automatically go to your smartphone and the Wi-Fi connection uploads them and leaves space to secure an online vault for viewing and sharing it whenever you want. Access to live view monitoring to see if the car has moved from its place by controlling it remotely. Be aware of more useful features. I suggest you dig a little bit in the dedicated app. Guten Tag, Salut, Hola. Speak in your native language if you struggle with English, because it includes voice control availability in many languages. It may lack the display part, but the durability is designed in high levels. It can stand harsh vehicle surroundings. Direct sunlight is not a thing. Hot and cold temperatures, easy peasy, not a problem either. Be aware in case any incident happens when you're not around. Monitor it anytime, anywhere. Wires or without wires, used cam has dual USB charger coming out of the box. It may not hold much charging. You will need to keep the power with you all the time to actively pull the documents and files off it. Pros: detailed images, multiple languages are available, high level of durability, and wide viewing angle. Whereas for the cons, no GPS, doesn't have magnetic mounting type, limited option without subscription, and no display. The seat is taken again from the same brand, the Garmin, but this time is Dashcam 67W version, best for most people. A compact and pocket-sized mini camera will go unseen in your front windshield. A great technology piece without an argument, where a solid, heavy, and old-fashioned style is banned in this design. Having an easy-to-use dedicated app, easy steps, and you're connected in the camera with any compatible smartphone. However, it requires a Wi-Fi connection so the camera can observe your car and monitor the interactions day and night. The screen consists only 2 inches in size. It can capture an HD 1440 pixels resolution, and the HDR helps to smoothen up the images. See everything with an extra wide view angle that reaches up to 180 degrees, which is not a very common thing to be seen in many other brands. But we notice some slight fisheye distortion. Of course, this happens due to the really wide perspective option. The GPS built-in camera shows the matter of details. Answering the question of where and when did the incident happen is a real deal. The added G sensor feature detects any possible accident. The camera alerts you in many ways, like the bump or hit, lane departure, race awareness in most situations, even in many regions. It warns when the traffic lights become red or green. If you want to enable live view monitoring mode, you have to stay connected with Wi-Fi constantly, where later on you view and share them securely. Use your voice in a couple of languages that are available on this device, and everything is way easier than before. The 67-watt battery power got you covered by blending very well with other features. On that note, if you want limitless use of the Drive app, you need to pay an extra subscription fee every month. Pros: extra wide angle, GPS is included, excellent camera quality. Whereas for the cons, creates fisheye distortion, expensive, and no micro SD card. The mission of producing the highest quality camera has been completed. It's the Vofo A129 Pro Duo, best dual dash cam. Having a bulky built-in form and a little bit of added weight appears to be the cutting-edge camera so far. The company keeps raising its name around the globe and continues to provide stunning qualities. Not a coincidence that a lot of experts have recommended this big boy. Putting in use the Ultra HD Real 4K dual channel inherits its quality from Sony 8-megapixel IMX317 sensor on the front camera and rear camera with Sony IMX291 sensor. Get the superior view and benefit from the fruit of 3840 to 2160 pixels at 30 fps. Offering stunning image quality on a different level, catching every detail in the streets, you can even read people's license plates. Doesn't matter if it's day or night, the camera still provides great visuals in the darkness too. With the upgraded Super Night Vision feature and the WDR, the 8-megapixel sensor is updated to a 7-glass f1.8 aperture lens. Now I'm leaving you what to expect from this sized camera. Pro at everything. The camera activates itself and starts recording 15 seconds before the event and 30 seconds after getting an impact from the movement. Isn't it beyond the perfect feature to park in tough places? Yes, it is, because you can see all the things that can get in your way. Premium functions like Wi-Fi and GPS can transmit in two different frequencies from 2.4 GHz that can reach up to 5 GHz. Any place is important. Know when the important things happen at any location and recognize your current speed level with stabilized signals. Just letting you know, the SD card is not included, but the Bluetooth remote control is doing a better job than saving any video by ensuring you won't take your sight from the road. All you have to do is figure out this suitable position and press it. The battery life? Nothing at all. No battery because it is not built by an overheating system that other brands usually do. Iconic and unique in all ways. Pros: 4K dual channel, Super Night Vision and WDR. Premium functions and parking mode is at an advanced level. Whereas for the cons, high price point, little bulky design, and SD card is not included. Go further with the price and get the fanciest one out there, the Blackvue DR900X 2CH, best high-end. Coming in a cylinder shape, it has a slightly big body. Everything about this camera is intelligent, you'll find out by the end of the description. Well, the price point is not a coincidence at all. With this high-end camera, you get 8-megapixel 4K Ultra HD sensor that is running with 3840 to 2160 pixels at 30 fps. Equipped with the Starvis rear camera by 2.1 megapixels, the pictures and videos will have a sharp and defined quality. The accuracy plays an important role together with an ultra-wide viewing angle of 139 degrees. See small details without any distortion. There is high efficiency video coding, which is a standardized model in broadcasting and video shooting. Activated in a parking mode automatically, the dash cam will eventually protect from any accident that can possibly occur in the heat of the moment. Plus, it knows how to turn itself off while it's in parking position. View live while the camera is monitoring and get all the notifications between your hands. It is a shame in the remote era to press anything over the could feature connect remotely with your vehicle by only using the internet connection. This dash cam also includes 4G LTE connectivity. Your valid nano SIM card is doing all the work for you, plus as a backup, this standardized USB port is available too. Worry less about the device whether or not drains the battery when is in operating time overnight. I would highly recommend you use the PowerMagic Ultra Battery B124X or the C-Link Neo battery pack. Pros: 4G LTE connectivity, 8-megapixel CMOS image sensor, dual channel, front and rear, and get driving and parking notification. Whereas for the cons, slightly heavy, costs a lot, and no screen. Drive like you're flying in business class with ThinkWear Q800 Pro, best overall. Coming in minimalist hard disk size with a larger lens and slightly rubberized material is intended for adhesive mounting type. It may not have much difference in look, but actually shows a great improvement in quality in comparison to previously released devices. It was honored with an award for the design part in the superior hidden capability while witnessing your journey with a great camouflage. Above the average high quality of 2K QHD technology that is working at 2540 by 1440 pixels resolution offers excellent image quality with almost perfect color accuracy level. Sony Starvis this time strikes the best image sensor technology. Exclusive nighttime vision rated as 2.0 will help you see defined lines in a low lighting environment in clarity. Advanced in every field that steps in, will eventually assist you throughout the day and nighttime. Even when you're tired, the machine prevents any collision. As an extra benefit, GPS is ready to track your current location, a big thanks to geofencing technology. The rich features are followed by ThinkWare's dedicated app for easy management files. With a wireless connection of the cloud, you basically activate every feature, being notified of what is happening in the car when you're not around. Save them so you can watch either live or later. It is powered by a 32GB micro SD card adapter, which leaves enough space for additional storage. Lastly, the battery is lower than other dash cameras, being just 2.9 watts, where it automatically detects and cuts down the voltage when it comes down to a certain point. Pros: 32GB micro SD card, 2K QHD recording, stunning design. Whereas for the cons, buttons are slightly heavy when you press, and high price point. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you have any questions about the products mentioned in this video, you can leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Until the next video, stay safe, take care, and peace out.